Hello guys, how are you today? I am Zubair from Zubitech World, bringing you another exciting video, the review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 2019 Active is on. So let's go. Starting from the wow features, the elegant design, Tizen operating system, Exynos chipset, Samsung Health Super AMOLED display, and new notifications. Starting from the features, the exterior of the Samsung watch, basically the rubbery surface is very gentle to your skin, and without any hassle, you are actually wearing a perfect watch because of the lightweight and the good material used in this smartwatch. You hardly basically know that you are wearing this smartwatch is basically very good for active users, so thumbs up for that. Okay guys, the display, that is your Super AMOLED display, 1.1 inches of dial, that is, it is used for active users, a small dial, but it gets the job done, and one of the best displays I've ever seen in a smartwatch. And basically you can see most of the applications are in a very vibrant color, and sunlight legibility is perfect. It puts on to the maximum by automatically by itself, so the display is very nice. And chatting about the display, basically Samsung faces the pre-installed applications of the Samsung watch are also very good. The one I'm using, that is the home screen, basically tells you everything, including your heart rate, your workouts, your battery level, the floors that you climbed, time and weather as well. So basically these are one of the best wallpapers pre-installed. Well, long press, you can actually scroll down to many wallpapers you can actually download as well. Pre-installed are actually good from Galaxy Store, you can download them as well. And moving on to the right, the heart shape shows calories, the minutes and the hours from your daily routine. And a normal press, basically a normal press gets down to the details, what you actually done. The colors indicate the workouts, the hours, the minutes, and also tells you the week in which you are exercising and puts on the colors. So Samsung is moving smart. Well, you can check your emails, you can check your messages, and you can make a call directly if you're connected to your Bluetooth. So messages can be sent from this smartwatch, but sorry, no calls are directly transferred. Moving on to the third step, the Samsung Health applications are there. There are 39 types of applications that you can pre-consider in your workouts. It includes 4 of them are included, and some of the applications you can check out from the store as well. Well, stress level is one of the best and greatest applications. I've used it, and it's very accurate, guys, so recommended to use it. And the heart rate monitor, well, heart rate monitor is good until you are working out under your heart rate, that is 150. Well guys, above 150 it tends to get a little bit wacky. It was hard for it to monitor my heart rate, so below 150 it was good. Above 150 to 160 heart rate's relevantly difficult, so I will give it this time 7 out of 10 for the heart rate. Okay guys, weather as well, calendar, your notifications and your music. So from the music, this smartwatch will not be sufficient enough. You have to use your Galaxy earbuds for directly connect via Bluetooth, so earbuds are essential for your music. And this smartwatch, what I think, is just 50% without the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10e, and with the earbuds, so it will make a happy family for it. Philhal, it is alone in my desk. Filhal, it is alone in my desk. So something new that Samsung has introduced, the notifications area. Now you guys, you are getting the night mode, the clock, the brightness, trader mode, okay, trader mode, and settings. From the top it shows the strength of the battery and the connection that is active. The power saving is as well. Power saving is a good option with it mode as well. You're getting the aeroplane mode on the smartwatch, and water drop lock. So water drop lock basically locks you. Long pressing the home key will open your water lock application. You can search as well. You can search your contacts, you can search your contacts, you can search the entire watch from basically just touching your one application in the notifications area. So a very nice, very healthy application that I found in the notifications. The shortcuts are very good. So the operating system, that is the Tizen 4.0, is working very perfectly on this. So talking about the Exynos 9110 chipset, I hardly found any glitches, I hardly found any hangs. Much needed smartwatch, the original Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. The operating system works like a charm on this baby. I love it. So the Galaxy Store has many applications, so you can install them as well. Playing games works like a charm in this thing. Few days that I used the Samsung Galaxy Watch 2019 Active Edition till now, this smartwatch is the best smartwatches that I've used till now. Samsung Galaxy Watch is highly recommended, guys. Buy it and you won't actually be disappointed. The drawbacks, well, the drawbacks that I noticed is the peak levels of your heart rate. It was a little bit difficult for it to actually monitor it. Otherwise, the sunlight legibility, the toughness of this smartwatch, the battery works for 2 days. The wireless charging also a very good addition on this one. Everything Samsung, including Samsung Health applications, are very good on this thing. So guys, a highly recommended device. So buy it and you won't be disappointed with it. Well guys, this is it. Conclusion, smartwatch is this highly recommended. The score I'll give this baby is 9 out of 10, guys. 9 out of 10. The looks, hardware, exterior, interior, the dial, the Super AMOLED, the sensors, everything is working like a charm on this thing. So highly recommended device. Go for it. You won't be disappointed. This is it. Zubair Ahmed from Zubi Tech World. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Touch the bell icon, and what do you say? And you know it, and you know what to do. So see you in my next video with a new gadget, new device, new technology world. This is Zubair signing off. So long.